J'ai l'honneur d'être président de la Fédération haïtienne de football. J'y ai consacré les 2 dernières décennies de ma vie.
I have the honor of being president of the Haitian Football Federation. I have devoted the last 2 years of my life.
Mais j'ai consacré à ma fédération plus de 50 ans de mon existence et j'ai tout fait pour élever le football haïtien à un niveau
But I have devoted to my
supérieur.
federation more than 50 years of my existence, but I have done everything to raise Haitian football to a higher level.
Et pour donner à de nombreux enfants, à des jeunes, des opportunités qui pouvaient sembler impossibles dans ce pays à un moment donné.
And to give too many children, young people, of the opportunities which could seem impossible in this country at a given time.
Je commencerai par dire merci à tous ces détracteurs qui ont monté cette machination, qui ont monté ce complot. Je leur dis merci, car connaissant Haïti, ils auraient pu m'envoyer au ciel. Ils auraient pu finir avec moi, avec des balles.
I will start by saying thank you to all these detractors. Who we set up this machination, who we set up this plot. I said thank you, that knowing Haiti, he will then send me to heaven, he will then finish with me. With bullet.
Parce que l'attaque sauvage qui se déroule depuis environ 15 jours montre que les intentions étaient de détruire, étaient de tuer.
Because the savage attack, which takes place in about 15 days, shows that the intention was to destroy and to shoot. Welcome back, Mr. President. We wish women's national soccer team good luck for FIFA World Cup 2023 in New Zealand on the 20th of July. We are proud of you girls. Best luck, Haiti. I'll be back soon in office to help you restart soccer in Haiti. I know you guys can't wait for that moment. We are ex-Haitian soccer players. We stand by you, President. What a great victory for Haiti, most important for football, youth in general. For all coaches who were hopeless because no soccer was playing since 3 years, I left Federation Haitian Football. Now let's bring all the soccer teams and leader together to restart the game we love to play and watch. Like mentioned in the paperwork, I should be in office last February 14th, 2023, but my teams were waiting for FIFA to have a last reviews in the case to clear everything. Now it is time for fans, for members, and for families to celebrate. We know our friends should be happy. Thanks to God and the lawyers for their great work. We will see you soon in office, Mr. President. Be blessed.